is Pam's Paper Plays, and I have a video today. I received some products for review and to give a demonstration of. It's BeeBeeCraft, and I will put the link in the description. I'll unbox it, and then I'll do some demonstrations for the product. I've done videos and unboxing before. I just haven't done one in a while. I'll show you what I got. This is, I'll show you the number. It's DIY-DB 0001-05. Let's see what we have here. These are little envelopes, manila type envelopes, or Kraft colored. Let's see if I can open it. You get quite a bit. Wow. Oh yeah, there's different sizes. We have 3 different sizes here. Awesome little envelopes. The little Kraft envelopes here, aren't they cute? I'm doing a couple farm journals, so I'm going to be using these in those journals. This envelope, including this little flap, is about 7 and not quite 7 1/4, about 7 1/8 maybe, by about 4 3/4, including this little flap here. Oh, they're really nice, strong, nice quality. So yeah, I'm making 2 little farmhouse journals. And look how much you get. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. So there's a lot of those. I'm real excited. These almost look like a little seed pack envelope, because you could fold this over. Just really nice. They're nice, strong. So these are, oops, 5 1/2. Let's see. No, about 5 1/4. I'm sorry. By 3 1/2. And there's, look at that, a boatload of these. Wow, I'm excited. Very nice. And then you have these really cute tiny ones here. Look at these. Lots of these. Oh, I'm so excited. These are like little, almost like little, I don't know, what do you call these? Coin envelopes? I'm not sure. But from this little flap to the bottom, it's 4 1/2 by about 2, not quite 2 1/2. Yeah, they're very sturdy and nice. So I will be using these in my next journals. And then the next item I got was DIY PH 0024-18. And it looks like they've got a plastic coating. Let me try to get this off a minute. Plastic seal on the box, so now you have a nice little box. And these are some little, what do you call these, little charms, or you put, I was thinking about using these. I could put these in my farm journal too. And you get all of these and they're about 1 1/4 from top to bottom here. about 1 inch about. So I'll be doing demonstrations using these. I could put a little image in there, and then you would use that. So that would be really neat. Really nice. Look at that. This is really nice and a vintage. I don't know, I might use these for vintage. And they could maybe be used for farmhouse too, but oh, I'm so excited. Look at all that. So you've got a whole bunch of that. Those in a nice little case to keep them in. Very nice. And then this one is DIY PH 0018-15. And these are little bottle caps. I'm excited because I thought I would use these on the to make on my spine, on my farmhouse journal spines. These awesome bottle caps, and I like them because they already have the little ring in them. I do have a little punch for regular bottle caps, but they don't always seem, sometimes it seems like they flatten the metal. But these are very nice, nice quality, strong. And I have all of these. I'm so excited. Yay. And I'll put little images. Oops, let me keep one out. And I'll be doing a tutorial using these products. And then you have these little circle toppers, and they're sticky. So you would punch out your image. Sorry if that's glaring. And then put the little topper over it to protect it. I don't want to take it out because it's sticky. And then that can be part of a charm. Whoops. So I'm really excited. I got some really fun things to play with. And thank you, BeeBeeCraft, for my awesome bottle caps. I'm going to make into charms, and my little cabochons, or whatever these are, charms, and the little toppers, and then the 3 sizes of these bags, which will come in really handy for journals, and just you could do happy mail, put happy mail in here, so many different things. So thank you so much, and thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for some tutorials. Bye bye.